The Beadalon 7-piece Econo Tool Kit contains all of the beading tools that you need to get started making jewelry. This toolkit contains tools that are a higher quality than what you might expect from such a low-priced item. In this kit, you will find round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, a snipper tool, tweezers, a wire cutter, a bead scoop, and stackable drawers. Use round nose pliers to make loops in your wire. Chain nose pliers are the tool to choose when you need to grab securely onto a piece of wire or if you need to make a bend. Use the snipper tool to cut beading wire. Use the tweezers to pick up small objects like wire or beads. Use the wire cutter to trim the ends off of wire. Use the bead scoop to scoop up your beads and put them away.